to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you.
Good morning. Well, didn't sleep too great last night, but today we're off somewhere new, so off to the airport. I'll show you guys where we're going. Let's go. So we've got here quite early. The hotel was only about 10 minutes from the airport, so we've got a couple of hours to kill. Let's look around some duty free and then we'll see you on the flight. Flight time today, about 45 minutes. Enjoy the flight. Yep, you guessed it, we're in Athens. Just need to find the hotel now, so let's go. That's it, we've got the train tickets. Onwards. Well, this is our home for the night. check in. Well, that's it, we've arrived in Athens. Got the room key. Time to grab some water and some supplies and then go exploring. Let's go. So we're all fueled up. Got some water and some food, so thought we'd come down to the centre of Athens and visit the museum. Apparently it's best to visit the museum before the Acropolis, so that's what we're going to do. Just got to find it. So we're just on the street leading up to the Acropolis Museum, and it's absolutely buzzing. Cafes, restaurants everywhere, tree-lined streets. Some trams running down here. Don't think they still do, but really busy. Lovely area. Definitely find something here later for something to eat. So we found the museum, the new museum. Let's go and see what it's all about. So the museum's built on top of remains.
Probably trying to preserve that bit.
So see lots of old sewers systems, water systems. What would be lots of little rooms, mosaics. Wow. Amazing to think how they used to live all those years ago. Anyway, there's the entrance. Let's go in and see. of these blocks carved to depict the procession, ancient procession of Athens. They would have been displayed at the top of the Parthenon, all the way around on all four sides. So we come back outside the museum. I highly recommend visiting before you go up to the Pantheon and up the Acropolis. Can't video or take photos in many parts of the museum, so just be warned because you will get told off, as we did and many others did too. Anyway, underneath is the ruins, so we're just going to have a look at that and then head off for something to eat. And that, my friends, is the public toilet. Seats up to 8 people, but nowadays you can't even put toilet paper down the loo here, so I don't know where the drainage went wrong. The architecture, the sewage systems, the water pipes, and it's just amazing how they engineered this all those years ago. It's unbelievable. All the walls preserved, stood the test of time, and yet the local council can't build a road that lasts more than 2 years. Just saying. As usual, we've got cats. So after one of the nicest meals we've had in Greece so far, we're going to have another look around the old town, around the Plaka district, and then head back to the hotel. So stay with us. So, we've finally come back to the hotel after spending a long evening in the Plaka district of Athens. I hope you enjoyed today as much as we did. Join us again next time, where we will be going to the Pantheon and the Acropolis. So, join us for that. So until next time, safe travels, and we'll see you then. Bye for now.
We make out, but